What's the meaning of Clarence House? Clarence House. Clarence House.
Clarence House. Clarence House. Clarence House is a royal residence in London, England. It was built in the early 19th century and has been the official home of numerous members of the British royal family over the years, including Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, and Prince Charles, the current heir to the throne. Today, it is used primarily as the home of the Prince of Wales and the Duchess of Cornwall. The house has a rich history and is considered a significant part of British royal heritage.